So I'm going to be giving you guys 5 tips on how you can avoid slippage, and at the end I'm going to be showing a video of my client with traditional locks that I established and how she maintains her frizz. Hi everybody, welcome back. This is Locswithkayla. I am Kayla. Thank you so much for joining me this week. If you like this video, click like in the description box, and if you like my channel, hit that subscribe button. It's free. Support Black-owned businesses. Support a Black woman. So this week, I'm going to be covering frizzy locks. Now, this is more common with a certain hair type than another hair type. That hair type is a 3 pattern or a looser curl. So keep in mind, these are tips and tricks to avoid frizz or to tame frizz, but your hair is going to be your hair, so keep your expectations realistic. Number 1, have a grooming session if you've noticed that your locks are already slipping. If you want to know what slippage is, watch this video here. It's that little eye that's in the corner. Just click that, and I'm also going to tag that video at the end of this video so you can see what slippage is and know if you have it or not. Book that grooming session if you do. Number 2, use the SIsterlocks products. SIsterlocks products are aloe based, all of them. So aloe is known to roughen up your cuticle, and in the lock community, that is a go-to. So use the SIsterlocks products if you want your locks to look more tame. Number 3, plait your hair and do braid outs at night. So plait your hair at night, take the braids out in the morning, and you'll have a much tighter, much consistent lock. You can do this at any point whenever your hair is wet. Just make sure your hair is wet. If your hair is dry, it gives it a little bit less of that tamed look, but it does still help. Number 4, don't use lubricants in your locks. So that means if your hair isn't mature before your hair is locked, even once it's locked, if you have a looser curl, you're going to want to be wary of these things, but don't use stuff like coconut oil, jojoba oil, almond oil. Number 5, wear a bonnet at night and a shower cap when you're showering. So if you don't use a shower cap, change that right now. Whenever you're washing your body, make sure you have a shower cap so that steam doesn't make your hair turn into a puff ball. Also, at night, try and wear a bonnet so that you're not sleeping and making your hair go around all crazy, because that will happen. So these are my 5 tips on how you can avoid frizz in your locks and help maintain it if you already have it. Here is the video of my client and her routine on how she keeps her locks from being frizzy. Okay, so she's showing you guys her freshly washed locks. There's frizz everywhere. She's parting her hair, showing you guys where the frizz is. Her hair is freshly washed, so this is the point when your locks are the frizziest, when they're wet, or more so when you just get out the shower before you've had a chance for them to dry. They will dry frizzy though if you don't do a braid out. So that is exactly what she's about to do. Stay tuned for the results. Okay, so she's had her braids in overnight. She took them out, and this is the result. Hair is much less frizzy, especially as to if she would have just left them as they were, as you guys just seen, and let them air dry. She's parting the locks so she can show you that all around the hair is much less frizzy. And this process only took her 15 minutes to do. So depending on the length of your hair and the amount of locks you have, it might take longer to braid your locks, but a braid out will definitely tame the frizz that's in your hair, as you can see here. Thank you guys so much for watching again this week. Please feel free to leave your comments below on what you do to help tame your frizz. Trust me, the fans want to know. I want to know. Any tips that you have on how you've been able to help your hair be more controlled, let us know, especially if they're natural. We're all about natural here. Thank you so much for watching. Again, click like on this video if you like what I had to say, and also subscribe to my channel if you want to be notified when my newest videos are coming out. They are ones that you do not want to miss, and I can't wait to see you guys next week. Stay blessed, stay abundant,